So I was just hiking through this random foresty area until I came upon this national treasure, whatever that is. There's a bunch of little houses, and this right there. I don't know if anybody's been here lately. Doesn't look like there's any people here. But this is kind of cool. So, found this random house. It's an old log house. It looks like it was built in the 1800s. Построенный в 800 году. 1800s. 1800s. Interesting. Obviously, it looks like it's closed. And there's some tools that were used to build this house in the 1800s. Ooh, what is this? What? I don't know if this was meant for farm animals or maybe for their children. So there's a bunch of these little structures. I'm gonna go into one of them here. This one. I like this door. This door looks cool. Huh. Wonder if you can open this. I don't think this is a house, but it's not totally locked. I don't know if you're supposed to cook food here. It's a little dusty. Oh crap. I would totally live here. Here's my self-defense weapon. Huh. Okay. Let's see what's in here. I hope there's no like monsters or wild animals in here. Interesting. If there's rats, I'll probably freak out. Okay. I like this little house. I would totally live here. Maybe for like a day until I saw a rat. Whoa. Scary. So I'm in the middle of nowhere, and I found a little house with a bunch of other houses that look like sheds. And this is kind of nice. Ooh. That says hello people. Very welcoming. This house is locked. Oh, there's a window. I should open that window. Okay, just kidding. Let's see if this is open. Okay, not open. All right. Oh, there's a window. This looks like this little house is built out of logs and cow manure. All right. All right, well, that's it. I'm gonna go and keep hiking. We'll see what else we can find. Wow, okay. Wow. So this tree is dead. Hope it doesn't fall on my face. All right.